bababwine Honorable David Bahati ofisi za Minisitiri y'Ebyobushubuzi omuri Kampala bamwe abanyandurwa West bashabire omunyishengero kandi Minister Bahati kukwagaruka kesimba kandi kugumizamu arukora abantu abo kuba karuru akatirwe tikarabiremo buringaniza
iki no bitarabibonire konka ahabwe bitabonire omukaruru icyo tukabire turakushaba nangwe ije tushube tukuze nyima abo kuba tucakwendaho ubuhereza k'abantu bandorwa West nebindi bintu ebyo takamalirize turakushaba ngo ije abo kuba hine binje byo biroyorekerire
ababonjire bagira ngo umukuru w'ihanga akateko bwesije umuru Minister David Bahati kwereza ihanga kandi bonke mnyeto yandorwa nibacenda ubuhereza bwa Honorable Bahati bagomezemo.
President atukundire yatuweza minister kandi ndatekateka ministry yari mwatiya ni ministry mpango y'amakorero erabasta kuyamba eminyeto yetu etine mirimo erabasta kureba ngo eminyeto yetu nayo yabone cyo gukora so mwenu icyo keminyeto twereyo kuguma turi twereyo kuguma ngo minister cyaitenga
ari kugarukamo kushaba kwabo Minister David Bahati ayikirizo kushaba kwabo kandi yahamya kwa kwija kugumiza munebyo ebyabira rukora kandi hona no kutandika gukora ebintu ebindi ebyabirayine omprani
turebe ngo twarinda ebirungi ebitwakwasire so mwe bare munonga kandi mwagarukayo kabale turaza kuba turija mu biro birije okongera hareki mu baturamukize mwe bare munonga okunda President Yoweri Museveni kandi twena hamwe turaza kugumizamo turebe ngo twahagira president
ebyo bikiri yaho we owarangirirwe nka owahangwira karuru kemnyeto okwetorora ihanga National Youth League Tankorns na shabaka chiko akarukure manje za karuru omuNRM okugendera hamazima kakasharamu ebyarugiro mu karuru akaru kugira ngo akahangura omazima
we wabe by youth tebaga kudama karuru but if the tribunal comes out and says to them Kalulu, we are going to say no. We are going to say no because we voted, and we're not going to let some people hoodwink our president and the national chairman, and also hoodwink the tribunal of the NRM. Why? Because the vote was a clear vote.
Akarura kakemerezibwa mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni bwa nyuma y'imihondano aho babiri bakaterera omurukororo.
20 million members of the NRM want justice, want fairness, want the truth. They don't want lies. They don't want favoritism. They don't want corruption. That's why you hear those young people making noise. I will follow up their noise, but to do it legally. I cannot do things illegally.